Music Hall: How a City Built a Theater and a Theater Shaped a City. Chapter 1: Make a Joyful Noise.
Hi there. You know, in the coming few episodes, really short episodes, we're going to take a 400-year trip through the history of the performing arts right here in Portsmouth, New Hampshire. You know, when the first colonial settlers arrived here in the early 1600s, except for the sounds of Native Americans, who had been here, by the way, for 12,000 years, it was pretty quiet and kind of scary. There was nothing but the sound of the wind and the waves and wild animals. Along with pistols, swords, fishing gear, only 2 books, and high hopes, the English settlers at Strawberry Bank brought drums and wooden recorders and a few oboes, an early form of oboe. So began the performing arts in Portsmouth. The arrival of the Bay Psalm Book in 1640 gave Portsmouth Puritans something to sing about, although not always in harmony at first. Colonial New Hampshire also rang out with the sea shanties of our founding fishermen, added to the chorus of immigrant families, and a considerable population of African voices, enslaved and free. Although formal theaters were banned in the 1700s thanks to leaders like John Hancock.
No, stop that. Bad.
The Assembly House on Vaughan Street offered dance classes, fancy balls, and music lessons. The city's first amateur theater opened in a warehouse on Bow Street, but closed after one short season. By the late 1700s, Portsmouth residents could enjoy a wide range of traveling performers. But that's a story for another day.